What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are working on my G35. This one right here, pretty much what's left. I mean, you could see the kit is on, but I'm not going to show you too much. You're going to have to stay tuned for part 4 of that. I'm pretty much, I don't have a respirator. My respirator actually broke, and the things that I need to do is body working, and I don't want to do that without a mask. So she is on hold for probably a few days, a week or so, but stay tuned because quick little sneak peek, got the whole kit on. It's looking really good. But today's video, we're gonna be redoing this entire thing. I plan on putting the tank here, so we are gonna have to do some trimming. I do have a new mount for the management, so you guys will see that in just a second. We have to weld it all up and everything. And then I do have some bulkheads we're gonna put in there for the management, so everything is secure. And then we're gonna weld this whole thing up right here. And then I do have a terminal grounding board on the way, so we can actually store it wherever it is we want. It does not have to be right here. So all these grounds are also going to be getting redone. That comes in on the 31st of this month. Today is the 27th. So that gives me plenty of time to redo everything. And then by the time that comes in, we'll just throw in the ground, connect it, and then ground everything out. All right, so right here is pretty much what we have. This is the management board. So as you can see, everything has to be welded up. And then we have the 4 bulkheads. So this will be much cleaner than what we have going on in there right now. And then I have, like I said, the terminal grounding board on the way. And then I have tons of new hose line as well. So first things first, I think we're just gonna literally drain the tank and then just get in there and just start pretty much removing everything. I'm going to begin test fitting everything actually before we lay down the dyno mat, which we have right there. So I think we're gonna try to do something along the lines of this. I think this is nice. So everything's gonna be under the floor except for the tank. It's gonna come to about here, but that's fine, because then we'll still have all of this space. And it was the same thing, except instead of back there, it's right here. And I believe it will be, yeah, see, I can actually reach for the drain where we're gonna have to, or when we need to drain the water out. So I think we might go ahead and do that. Now I need to map out where the management is gonna go. Same with this will pretty much bolt to there. We'll just remove this, but see where this is gonna go and where the hose lines can actually go through.
Something in my mind leads me there, but leave me there. There ain't nobody perfect. 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 Cause I don't know what.
All right, guys, got everything down all right here as well. So I think this is probably good enough. I still have all of this, so I think if anything, it's gonna need to go on that board right there. And then I need to try to get the seat down, but it's hard with the harness bar. But if we can get that sound deadened as well, that's really where a lot of the sound is gonna be absorbed. So now, first things first, let's go ahead and get the tank installed. We got the tank and compressors in. Pretty much I just made those little brackets, kind of holding everything in place. And shakes around a little bit, but these are pretty stiff. But it's not gonna go anywhere. So now what I need to do is pretty much get the management mounted, but I want to actually put these pieces back in and see where they're gonna need to be cut. So yeah, so let me organize a little bit and then we're gonna try to get those fitted and cut and get them in the car ready to go. Heck of a lot trimming later, got it all done. This is that. You won't see any of this, of course, too, when the actual board is over. And then a lot of trimming here. All of this had to be cut, and it's not exactly where it's supposed to be. This is where it bolts to, right here, and you can see how far up it needs to go, but this is gonna work. So, and we have room to plug in all the hose lines and everything, so we're great there. I'll probably just end up drilling like a little hole for this one, or we'll figure it out. Next day now, as you can see, we got the tail lights removed, we got the bumper removed. That was a little difficult because I could not get to these parts, this part right here. So I just broke it, and I mean that part of the bumper is going to be getting cut anyways, so I just broke it on both sides. It's not like right there, it's just this piece right here. So and then what I went ahead and did was I had to reach under all the way. Let me try to show you guys. Right, let's see here, let me see, hang on. Right there you can see the bulkheads. Alright, so I went ahead and tightened those down, and now I'm gonna finish tightening them up here, make it a lot more snug. And then pretty much I got all the hose lines, everything out. So what I need to do is figure out where I'm gonna run the hose lines, all of those. I mean, they're all gonna end up getting redone, but figure out how to run them for now. And there it is, guys, we are done. Everything is in. So pretty much now I just gotta wait for the grounding board to come in, and then we'll probably end up doing it I don't know, maybe right behind that or right back in there. I don't know yet, we'll figure it out. But there she is. So we are gonna have to order a new floor and then get that cut, or I'll just make my own flooring. I do have a big piece of plywood we can use, so we'll see. But yeah, I just gotta make a floor now, and then I just really hope, I think this is gonna stick up, to be completely honest with you. So I am gonna have to figure that out. Yeah, that's a bust. Yeah, I'll have to play around with that. But there she is. Everything's plumbed. So we have the in hose line going in. We have all the outs. One coming here with a homemade little silencer, and the other one coming out with another homemade little silencer. So that's looking good. That's going to be quiet. It's pretty much everything just has to be grounded. All right, guys, so I'm not going to end up making a part 2. However, I am going to keep you guys updated on it. Probably, let's see, because the part comes in on the 31st. So whatever my next video is, if I have the part and I happen to get it done, then I'll just give you guys an update, because there's really no need for a part 2. It's pretty much done. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of the setup, and subscribe if you guys aren't already, because there's a lot of good things coming for the G35. A lot. You guys are not going to want to miss this. Trust me, this car is going to be completely different. The rear bumper I am actually going to be keeping off, because I actually am doing something custom with that as well. So like I said, guys, subscribe, hit that bell notification. You're not going to be disappointed, and I hope to catch you all in the next one. Until next time, as always, peace out.